first thing we want to do is using the 27mm socket, we'll remove the fill cap on the front differential. It simply just unthreads. Once that cap's off, we'll go ahead and use an 8mm Allen and drop the drain bolt and let the fluid drain completely out of the differential. As it's draining, now's the time to check the condition of the O-rings on the drain as well as the fill. If they're damaged or missing, you're going to want to replace them to prevent any leaks. Once the fluid's drained, we'll simply just put the drain bolt back in place and torque it to 12.2 foot-pounds. Now, to fill this unit with oil, Kawasaki recommends an 80-90 weight hypoid gear oil. And to install it, you simply just take the bottle and squeeze it out of the spout into the case until the oil begins to seep out. Kawasaki states that's about 0.85 quarts. Once you see it begin to leak out, then we'll just reinstall our fill cap and torque that to 12.9 foot-pounds. Now it's time to get to the rear. The rear is just the same as the front. A 27mm bolt for the fill, as well as an 8mm for the drain. And we'll do it in the same way. Just like the front, check your O-rings on the fill and the drain. Now we'll just reinstall the drain bolt and torque this one to 15 foot-pounds. And just like the front, filling the rear is the exact same. The only difference is the rear holds a little bit more. It holds right at 1.4 quarts. Once we see it leaking out, it means it's full. Now we'll just reinstall our cap, torque it to 15 foot-pounds, and we're ready to hit the trails, guys.